Okay, shall I start the class now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Not to good afternoons. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay,
Good afternoon,
very
ma'am.
happy. Okay. So, we are coming to the end of the chapter. It was a long chapter, right? Different topics. Do you remember all those things? First, you studied about irrational numbers, then locating, then rationalization, algebraic identities, then coming rationalization, last part. Okay, is it easy, this chapter? Again, no response.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, this is the last few questions. After that, we'll finish this chapter. And next day onwards, I will start a new lesson. So, you have your graph book and all, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you keep your graph book ready. And tomorrow, I'll start the next lesson. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, we are doing the last few questions. Write the question. I'll write on the board.
Ma'am, you gave one question to write after the class.
Yes. What was the question? Can you tell?
2
Simple,
by
right?
root
2
5.
by root 5.
2 by root 5. Okay. It was 2 by root 5. And with root 5, you multiplied, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is the answer? 2 root 5 by 5. And what is 2 root 5? 2 into 2.236, right?
4.472
Then
by 5.
5. 4.472 by 5. And what is the answer?
0.894.
Very good, Melvin. 0.894. Okay, very good. Ashik Pateri also, you got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this was the question which I had given morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Then it is a very important question. Next one. Next two questions are important. One, it is a combination of rationalization along with some other operations. Okay. So, next question. I'll erase the board now. Shall I?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then a long question. Question is, if, are you writing? Write with me. If A and B, small letters A and B are rational numbers. If A and B are rational numbers, it is not irrational numbers, it is rational, normal rational numbers. Find the value of A and B. Find the value of A and B in the following equations. If A and B are rational numbers, find the value of A and B. Values of A and B in the following equations. This is the question. This is a general question, and there are some 2-3 sub questions for this. Shall I move to the question? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now look at the board. Our question is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay. Now, here you have to do the same conjugate multiplication. Can you write the conjugate? What is the conjugate there?
Root 3 minus 1.
Root 3 minus
1.
minus.
1.
There is some more part for this. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 is a plus b root 3. We have to find this a and b. You have to find this a and b. Complete the question. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 equal to a plus b root 3. A plus b root 3. We have to find a and b. That is our question. A and b. Now you look at the board. Look at the board. Look at the question. How we can proceed this? Listen. The question is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Left side. LHS. So we'll write the LHS there. Okay. Listen to me. LHS is root 3 plus 1. Sorry. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Can you identify the conjugate from this? What is the conjugate? What is the conjugate of this? Tell. What is the conjugate?
Root 3.
Root 3
minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay. So you should multiply this number with root 3 minus 1. Okay. Start writing. Listen. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 both numerator and denominator, and put the symbol bracket there. Root 3 minus 1 already there, but the conjugate also the same number. Conjugate also the same thing, root 3 minus 1. Okay, now look at this and look at the numerator first. What is the numerator? Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 already there. Then root 3 minus 1 again. Okay, what will be this answer? What is that? Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. A minus b into a minus b. What is that? A minus b into a minus b.
Root 3 minus 1 the whole square.
All square, very good. A minus b
square.
all square. Very good. Very good, children. So it is root 3 minus 1 all square. But what about this? This denominator? Denominator, which identity is that?
Identity.
Denominator, which is the identity?
Root 3
A
whole
plus
square.
B, A minus
Into a minus b. So numerator, another identity, and denominator, another identity. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 all square minus 1 all square. So it is a plus b into a minus b, right?
A square minus B square.
B square. Okay. So it is root 3 all square minus 1 square. Now we will expand all this. I'll use some other color. We'll expand both. Root 3 minus 1 all square, you know how to expand. Okay, children, what is root 3 minus 1 all square? When you expand.
3.
Yes? Yes? Root 3 minus 1 all square. How will you expand? You know it. It is
Ma'am, root 3 square
Square.
minus 2 into
yes, very good. Root 3 all square minus 2 into 2ab. 2 tell unless you
root 3 into 1
root 3 into 1
1.
plus
plus 1 square.
1 square. Okay, good. Now root 3 all square. What is root 3 all square?
3.
3 minus 2 root 3 into 1. It is 2 root 3 itself. And 1 square is
1.
1. And what is the final answer here?
4 minus 2 root 3.
Yes, 3 plus 1 you can add. 3 plus 1 you can add, and it is 4 minus 2 root 3. Okay, children. Any common number is there in this? 4 minus 2 root 3. Any common number is there so that we can take out?
4 and 2.
Simplify. In this 4 and 2 root 3, any common number is there?
2.
2. Can I take out that 2 for simplification? So I took out 2. So what will be remaining in 4?
2 minus
2 minus
2 root
3. 2 minus
from
root
2
3.
root 3 we divided with 2. What is next?
2 minus root 3.
2 minus root 3 only. Okay. Now we have to substitute this again in our question. I'll move this. So our question was like that. Root 3 minus 1 all square by root 3 all square minus 1 square. Root 3 minus 1 all square we expanded, and it is 2 minus 2 into 2 minus root 3. What is denominator? What is denominator?
1.
Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. What is that?
3 minus 1.
3 minus 1. That is 2 into 2 minus root 3 by 3 minus 1. Can you tell what is 3 minus 1?
2.
2. Now, can you cancel any number here?
Both 2.
Both 2. This 2. That is why we first itself we took that 2 out and put the bracket there. Okay. So when we cancelled this, it became 2 minus root 3. And listen, this is our answer. And now you look at our question. Our question was like this. Will you look at your question? What was our question? If root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 equal to a plus b root 3, find a and b. So what answer we got is a plus b root 3. So what is our answer? What is our final answer just now we got? What is the final answer? LHS we simplified and we got one answer. What is the final answer?
2 minus root 3.
2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 is our final answer. Okay. That 2 minus root 3 is, it is given in the RHS that it is a plus b root 3. It is a plus b root 3. Shall I explain it once more? Listen, children. This 2 minus root 3 is LHS. When we simplified, we got 2 minus root 3. But in the question, it is given that it is a plus b root 3. And find value of a and b. So instead of a, what is here? Instead of a, which value? Instead of a, can you identify the value? Instead of a, which number is instead of a?
2.
Very good. It is 2. But instead of b, What is instead of b? Root 3 is there.
Root 3.
Root 3 is there. B is one constant. Can you identify that
2.
constant from here? This is the place of that constant here.
2.
No,
1.
1.
not 1.
1.
0.
It is plus and it is minus.
Minus 1.
Very good. It is minus 1. See. I'll show you. Listen. It is bx 2x. Can you identify b's value? If bx equal to 2x, what is b? Can you see the board now?
2.
bx equal to 2x. What is b?
2.
2, right. Another equation. bx equal to 1x. What is b?
1.
1.
1. Okay. So, if I write simply like this, bx equal to x. Can I identify b?
1.
1. Because 1x we won't write. Normally we won't write 1x. It is simply x means coefficient is 1. But instead of that, if bx equal to negative x, what is b? What is the coefficient there? Can you identify the coefficient? You cannot identify that. You cannot identify that. Shall I explain it again? Shall I explain it again? Again, no response.
Yes.
Negative 1.
Wait, children, I will explain it. I will explain. Wait. Okay, children, see. Look at the board. Listen. You algebraic expression you have studied the coefficients, terms, coefficients and all. Right? Right? Algebraic expression you have studied expressions and coefficients, terms and coefficients. Okay. Okay. Are you sleeping?
No, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now look at this board. Again, I'll explain it again. Bx equal to 3x. What is b?
3.
3. Okay. Now again, one more example. Bx equal to minus 3x. What is b?
Minus 3.
Minus. Okay. Now, bx equal to 1x. What is b?
1.
Yes?
1.
1.
1.
Normally, we
1.
won't write 1x, right? We used to write like this, bx equal to x. So, you can understand that there is a coefficient and its value is
1.
1. So, what is b then? b is its coefficient. Its coefficient. X coefficient. b is
1.
x coefficient, 1. Again, bx equal to negative x. What is x coefficient there?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. So, b equal to negative 1. b means its coefficient. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, look at our question, our previous question. It is given that a plus b root 3 equal to 2 minus root 3. You have to identify the coefficients. A, it is very easy. What is a here? A equal to? 12.
2.
2. Okay.
2.
Then what will be b? B is like x, it is root 3. This root 3 will act as a variable like x, y and all. So its coefficient is b. Negative root 3's coefficient. Root 3's coefficient is b. So what is b there?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Very good. This place. B is in this place. Clear?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
is negative 1. So this is our question. Did you understand now? A equal to 2 and B equal to -1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, shall I give you one more question? Will you do it alone?
Yes, ma'am.
Your own. I won't
Yes.
help you. I'll ask the final answer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, I'll give the question. Second question is, write the second question. Second question. Root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3 equal to A plus B root 3. A plus B root 3. A plus B root 3. Yes. Nas, mute your audio. Take a screenshot. Isn't it? Yes. Do the proper steps, do the rationalization, do the conjugate multiplication, and find out the final answer. Fia, Emil, Haya, Hadi Amin, Rizwan. Find out the answer, and if you have any doubt, you ask me now. Clear it now. Savio. Prajot.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Adidev, finish your work. Adidev,
Yes, ma'am.
did you get the answer?
I think.
I think I got the answer. I got your message. And it is a very easy question. Nas? Yes, Nas, if you have any doubt, you ask me.
Okay, ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay. Okay. Anyone finish the work? This one, your video is paused. I cannot see you whether you are writing or not. Yes, this one? Okay. Those who finish can tell. If you finish, I can explain it because time is less. Surya, Hadi, did you get the answer? Yes? How many of you got the answer? Show your hand taken. No one? Yes? Melvin and all is still doing. Shall I explain it now? Adidev, no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
You are not sure whether your answer is correct or not. No problem. I will explain it now. Okay. So, Rosebi, will you explain the step? Will you find out the conjugate? Which is the conjugate? Rosebi? Rosebi? Again, Rosebi is not telling anything. Okay, Adidev. Adidev, will you explain? Will you explain what is the conjugate?
Conjugate.
Yes.
Root 5 plus root 3.
Root 5 plus root 3. Now, how can you multiply? Tell me the multiplication.
Root
Yes.
5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3 multiplied by
Root 5 plus root 3 divided by root
5
5
minus
minus root 3 is multiplied by root with its
root
conjugate
5
root 5 plus root 3
root 3.
and root 5 plus root 3. And what is the denominator? What is the numerator?
Root 5 plus root 3 whole square.
Okay, root 5 plus
Root
root 3
3
whole
whole square.
square. And what is the numerator? Sorry, denominator.
Root 5
5 whole
square
square
minus
minus
whole
root
square
3 whole
minus root
square.
3 whole square.
Those who did not get the answer, clear your doubts when I am explaining. And what is root 5 plus root 3 whole square? Adidev.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Root 5 whole square plus 2
Root 5
into
whole
root
square
3.
plus
2
2
into
root 5 into
root 3
root 3
plus root 3 whole square.
plus root
Root
3 whole
3
square.
whole square.
Yes. And divided by
Root
5
root
minus
5 whole square minus 5 minus 3.
5 minus 3. And what is 5 minus 3?
2.
Okay, children, see. And will you explain the numerator? Will you explain the numerator?
Root 5 whole square is equal to 5
plus 2 root
plus
2 root
2 root
15
15 plus 3.
plus 3 by 5
2.
minus 3 is 2. Now
8 5 plus 3 is equal to 8.
8 plus 2 root
2
15
root 15 by 2.
And can you take out any number from the
2.
numerator? 2. So that you can cancel. We are taking out 2 from this. We are taking out 2 from this. So instead of 8, if you take out 8 from 2 from 8, it is 4 plus root 15 by 2. Did you understand this step? We are
Yes, ma'am.
taking out 2 from this because 2 is common in this, so that we can cancel. Clear?
Yes,
Actually,
ma'am.
it is 8 plus 2 root 15 by 2. So to cancel that 2, we should take 1, 2 out. Then only we can cancel. So from 8 plus 2 root 15, we are taking 2 out. So you got 4 plus root 15. Okay, children? Now you can cancel 2. And our answer is 4 plus root 15. 4 plus root 15. Clear? And what is our question? Question?
A plus B root
It
3.
is not
Find
root
A and
3.
B.
Hello. It is not root 3. In the question you have, you might have written it is root 3, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you might have written it is root 3. It is root 15. Okay. Now your confusion cleared. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Is A plus root B root 15. Actually, I wrote it as root 3. Now can you identify? Can you identify what is A and what is B?
A is equal to 4, B is equal to 1.
Okay, children. Sorry. 4 plus root 15. 4 plus root 15. And this 4 plus root 15 is 4 plus root 15 is A plus B root 15. And what is A here? A equal to
4,
4 and B equal to
1.
1. So this is our answer. Okay, children? Did you get the answer? Did you get the answer now? Question, there was a mistake. It was root 15. I wrote it as root 3. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to you? I'll give one homework to you. And tomorrow I'll
Okay,
start a
ma'am.
new topic. This is
Okay,
the last
ma'am.
question. Homework is I'm erasing the board. Homework question is it is the third question. 5 plus 2 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3 equal to A plus B root 3. A plus B root 3. Find A and B. Find A and B. 5 plus 2 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3. 5 plus 2 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3 equal to A plus B root 3. Find A and B. Did you finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I leave now?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children, shall I leave now? Tomorrow we'll
Thank you,
start.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.